Hello everyone, welcome back to another 747 update for Copilot CRM. We're going to walk through some of the features that we released this week in Copilot, starting with one of my favorites, and that is a global search bar in the header of Copilot. So now on any page in Copilot, you can quickly search 4 areas of the software. The first is customers. You can see if I type in a name here, it'll pull up a customer, and I can click that to go right to their profile. You can search properties. For instance, if I just put in the starting of a property here, as you can see, it pulls up that property. The other thing you can search is pages in Copilot. For instance, if I want to go to the email page, you can see there's a whole bunch of pages actually for email, but you can just click one of those under the page heading. So really fast way to navigate. And we are also searching settings in here. So maybe if I want to change settings for the invoice default, I think it's actually called default invoice. I can quickly find the setting for the default invoice messages and click to it, and it'll actually scroll the page down to and bring me right to that exact setting I was looking for. So just a really quick way if you to navigate the software, if you need to find a customer really fast or a page or a setting, this will always be in the header of Copilot. So really great navigation tool. All right, the next thing in my notes here is being able to attach videos to estimates and invoices. So now on an estimate, if you scroll all the way down here, you can notice that you can attach videos to the estimate, and it'll show up as a file stored in here. And those will be saved on the client portal. So when your customers are viewing this in the client portal, they'll see the attached videos below. And also, they will be able to be sent through email. So if I get this email ready here, I can go ahead and attach the videos. And if it was already uploaded, it'll attach the video that was attached to the estimate already, or you can upload a video straight to here to attach to your email. So really great feature, just allows you to show your customers what their services might be that you're offering a little better, a lot cleaner communication that way. So that's a great update. The next update is being able to set defaults for the list items visibility. So under settings, if you scroll all the way to the side, we have our list items visibility settings here. And there's a bunch of settings in here for lists such as off seasons, customer types, to-do categories. And now you can set a default. So if I set my customer type here to default to commercial customer, when I create a visit, when I create a customer, the type will be automatically set to that default type that I had as before. So a really nice time saver. We also added just some inline editing in here as well. So if you want to name, instead of naming this property visit, if you want to name this property stop or something like that, you can edit straight in line, and you can also delete straight in line as well. So really nice design update and functionality. The next update is we added a create visit button from the customer profile. So instead of having to create visit and then re-enter in the customer's information that you were literally just looking at, now you can click create visit from the customer profile, and it'll automatically pull in that customer from their page. We also added this to the property page as well. So if I go ahead and open this property, there's a create visit button up here, and this will pull in not only the customer, but the property that you were just looking at as well. So really great time saver. And the last update is a really small one. We are continuing to work on the KPI cockpit, making sure that the design is updated, and also that the way we are calculating these KPIs are accurate. So one really small update that we pushed for this was just the ability to hover over data points and to see the month of that data point. As you can see, this one says March, and also see the data that was logged here. So time was 4. So if I go down here, you can see June with efficiency. We have crazy efficiency on this test account. If I go over here, you can see the effective hourly rate and the month as well. So great little update. All right, so that was everything new in Copilot CRM this week. Thank you guys again for continuing to use our software, and I will see you guys next week.